And people who say you can't slay on a budget, bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tei Jae. It's your girl Tei Jae. Y'all, I'm just blown away because look at this. Ariella. Come on, baby. Ariella was only $50. And she looks like a freaking virgin hair, curly hair unit. If you guys are not a fan of synthetic wigs, installs, and things of that nature, I'm gonna give you a few moments to go ahead and click out because honestly, nobody cares. I do want to put a disclaimer. This is a synthetic unit. It's not in no way, shape, or form virgin hair.
Baby, let's get into Ariella. So we're gonna go ahead and pull her right on out this box. Guess what? I have not reviewed synthetic curly hair in a long time, and I'm quite impressed because it was super duper soft. Y'all seen it had a natural, well, y'all gonna see it has a natural shine once I get all my lights set up. Y'all, it was super duper soft, okay? And it didn't feel like that horsehair I'm usually used to working with. So anyway, it does come with 3 combs in total, and it does come with an elastic band. So let's get into this hairline, y'all. The gag is, this is how I'm used to Outre hairline. Like, I'm just lost for words because it's at perfection. They be hitting or missing, but they do need to keep this consistency up though, because this hairline is flawless. But look at the hair, y'all. Look at the natural body, luster, and shine. Alright guys, so I'm going into prepper and I'm going in with my Andis hot comb. I always use the lowest heating setting or next to the lowest heating setting. So like I said, I always use the lowest heating setting because I do not want to melt this unit, okay? Like I said, it is synthetic, so we cannot have our heat extremely high or you will melt those fibers. I've done it before. So yeah, look how this is combing out, y'all. This hairline, I'm obsessed. This was one of my like, Outre just makes me so excited when they just take their time and just do the dang on hairline, y'all. Y'all cannot tell me, if you don't know how to pluck your hair, y'all get this unit because it's already plucked. Ain't nobody can come for you. Ain't nobody can tell you nothing, baby. That is flawless. Now, you're probably wondering why I'm going in to pluck it, being as though I just said it was flawless. But let me tell you something. I just don't like the uniform look in the front. So you probably can't even see what I'm doing, but I'm just going towards the front section and just plucking out every other section just so it won't be so like in a straight line, if that makes sense. It probably defeats the purpose anyway because you really can't tell what I did, but hey. Y'all can see that this lace is transparent, so we have to go in with our famous Ebon Tint Lace Spray. This is in the shade medium dark brown. Okay, one thing about transparent laces with a tint, if it comes looking like this with that white look, unless that's your skin tone, you gotta have to tint it. So you can use foundation, you can use cream foundation, you can use even the spray that I'm using, but we have to get it closest to our skin tone. So be sure to tint it. All right, so to seal this in, I'm going in with my Sebastian Reshaper Strong Hairspray. That's all it is. And I'm just going to spray this on top. That way, when I go to install my lace, the lace tint spray does not move. That's one thing I don't like about the hairspray. If you do not set it, or the lace spray, if you do not set it, baby, it's going to smear off and it's going to look like you didn't put nothing on it at all. And I do have my dryer on a hot setting, okay? All right, so this step is kind of optional. I do not like the combs. I don't like the combs on them, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut them off. It's super simple and super easy. You just follow the thread that's in there and you just cut. The combs just come right off. And if you have any excess strings hanging, just cut them off.
in the actual what? Yo, y'all not gonna play with me today. Y'all just not gonna play with me today, because I know I'm looking crazy right now, but look at the hairline. What? Alright, y'all, so I'm just going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I'm just gonna take this. I need to get some more of this darker shade and place it. I should get a smaller brush, because that's gonna, yeah. So I'm gonna get a smaller brush and take a little bit of that and put it in the lighter places that you guys can see. And I'm not 100% sure why it doesn't get covered up when I spray it on the outside of the lace. Yeah, on underneath the lace, but it's no problem. You just go in and add some concealer. So I'm trying to fix the lace before I lay it down. Now, with the elastic band on, this section right here is snug. This is snug. It's gonna move, but it is kind of snug. So literally you would just have to adhere the tabs down on the side. I'm just gonna go in and do all of it, but I'm trying to work on this line of demarcation. So I'm using this old palette. This is the Revealed Smoky palette by Coastal Scents. It's super old, but I'm using like this dark, deep dark brown shade right here to cover up the lace, because like I don't want you guys to be clocking me, and you know I don't like that. Like I said, in certain lights it look fine, but imagine if I'm in a real bright light. I don't want people seeing the lace, so I have to go with like 2 or 3 shades darker, just so the lace towards the end is gonna blend. I'm just gonna do 1 to 2 layers of this stuff. I'm gonna start here and just very lightly use my fingers, but I'm gonna start with the center section first. For some reason this stuff be drying so fast, it's like sometimes you don't even need a hair dryer. So I'm just taking the back of the comb and pressing down, and then I did move my lace back a little bit. Now we're just gonna get to the sides and do the same exact steps. So this is what she's giving us right now. So yeah, I'll put this on like this and then pull it down. Alright, yeah, so it's melted. Well, it should be anyway. And this is what she's giving, okay? Not too shabby, not too shabby. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with the hair. Should I make a part? Should I just leave it alone? Why? Yeah, so now we're just going in with my Got To Be glue, and we're gonna go ahead and sweep the baby hairs down. Alright guys, so my head circumference is a 21.4 to 21.5. So I will put myself in a big head category, okay? So when I did firstly put on the wig, I felt like the wig was not going on, but that was until I actually put the elastic band on my head and it fit snug. Now if you guys want to wear it glueless, you probably can, but you're gonna have to adhere down the side. This is not a stretch lace, like the lace is not very stretchy, so it is what it is technically. I mean, you do have a lot of extra lace as well, so I would say that you guys who have big heads will be fine getting into this unit, but I mean, it just really depends on our head. As far as tangling, y'all, I never actually detangle the hair at all. This is a curly hair unit. When I wear curly hair units, synthetic curly hair units, I never detangle them. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. I don't, because I don't want them to get poofy quickly on me. Tangling, I had tangling in the nape area. I went through a few outfit changes, okay? Went through a few outfit changes, and honestly, y'all, I'm talking a lot with my hands, but honestly, it gave me some tangling in the nape area because I kept putting it up, putting it down, getting my hair stuck and stuff. So, but as for right now, being that this is a brand new wig, I just simply just go in with some foam wrap lotion and just put it on the hair, and it really just maintains the curls. As far as shedding, even though I plucked it, I still didn't detangle it. So if I do get any shedding, that is from me plucking it, but I didn't detangle it, so I didn't receive no shedding, okay? But if you are one that likes to have wear your units poofy, you might get shedding, you might not. Depends. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Also make sure you subscribe for more videos like such. All information in regards to the hair, the products I use, will be listed down in the description section below. So until next one, until my next video, your girl will see ya later. Bye guys.
So that's impressive how much you're missing.